Hi, in our latest bundle, A Haunting We Go, we've included a printable dial element. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to print that using Adobe Reader. This method is for users who do not have a print to cut option on their cutting machine. For this option, you will just send it to your printer and you will use scissors to cut along the orange lines. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Now you will want to have Adobe Reader again. If you don't have Adobe Reader, it is free. And I will have a link on the screen here. It's get.adobe.com. Again, that is free. So I have that open here. I'm going to go File, Open. And I am going to open the PDF file and open. You'll see that that has been opened on the screen. And now I just need to send it to my printer. I'm going to go up here to File and Print. And the most important thing here is you want to make sure that actual size is checked. As you can see in my dialog box, it's automatically selected to shrink oversized pages. That is not correct. You want actual size. So make sure you click actual size. That is important. That's one of the common questions that we receive on printables, is that actual size is not checked. So make sure actual size is checked, and you'll want to send that to printer, and then you'll want to go ahead and click on print. That will print out, and again you'll just want to go ahead and cut along these orange lines along the outside as well as the inside.